Come on.
I start with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious, most merciful, sustainer, maintainer, creator. Respected the great personality, Mr. Zamizar, my dear sweet captives. I welcome you all with the Islamic greetings of Islam. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today, my topic is about what power do the media possess. In general, media refers to the tool of mass communication. Media today consists of television, internet, cinema, newspapers, radio, magazines, direct mail, fax, and telephone. Viewers can see some form of pictorial representations of message through certain types of broadcasting and advertising. Images are visual representations, graphics, pictures, and include video and movies. Media images are very important in this modern world. We know this because we can see billboards promoting their latest brands and famous products. When we are attached to the advertisement, we may begin imagine or visualize using it. Media give us information to tell us what a product, service, and message is. In fact, media influence has become so powerful today that they can easily convince people positively and negatively. In it, guys? Now if we talk about the newspapers. Newspapers are the another form of mass media. Newspapers have the positive influence on the society. Newspapers not only give us information to tell us what a product, service, and message is. In fact, newspapers even help us to increase our knowledge, which we can't get from our books. If we want to know more and more to what's happening in the world around us, newspapers are as a resource to get the daily information and the daily events. By the help of newspapers, we get different types of news. Guys, as we all know that we live in a society that also depends upon the media as a source of entertainment and information. In it, guys? Yeah. Today, our life will remain incomplete without media. For example, it provides an easy means of communication where people are able to contact with their friends, with their families from the another side of the world. Talking about the televisions. Televisions are the another form of mass media. Televisions are such powerful educational tool for the younger generation, helping them to put on the right path and right way. For example, Sesame Street is one of the television programs that has a powerful influence on the younger people. They taught us to communicate effectively, to spell correctly, choose healthy foods, and have fun with learning. First and foremost thing is that they taught us to communicate with the deaf. It brings out the talent of the people. Now if we talk about the media, at the same time, media like television, internet, and radios increase our knowledge day by day by providing access to the information from all over the world. We are able to receive different types of news, daily events by the help of media. Do you agree, guys? Yeah. And if we talk about the demerits of the media, it also have the negative influences. Advertisements can be created to convince the people to buy the product or give support for the certain product. In addition to the advertisement, some messages may have hidden motives. In advertisements, they show images of younger people enjoying fried chicken, burger, and some other things. But guys, they don't tell truth to the viewers. But guys, we have to be careful. These types of foods do not good for their health. In conclusion, I want to say that the use of media can be both positive and negative. We have to be wise when using the media. In a positive way, media makes our lifestyle very easier. That's all about my topic. Thank you.